Why does that look like Jeep Tours? Seriously, on the Parkway? Oh, it is. Asheville. Asheville Jeep Tours. It sucks that Asheville has taken the place of San Francisco. One of the gayest places on earth, Asheville. I feel they didn't check their tire pressure on that right rear. That view. They should have pulled the Jeep off there. Let those people get out, stretch their legs. There's like 6 people in there, feels like. Yay! Be nice if we could see that turn signal. Ugh, boom, boom. I get that it would be very expensive to pave the Blue Ridge Parkway. But if we can have a new ballroom at the White House and a wrestling match at the White House, I think a national treasure like the Blue Ridge Parkway should get a little bit of a facelift. Especially down here in North Carolina. Three miles to Mount Pisgah. So 3 miles. So the camera hasn't shut off yet. I can get about an hour and a half out of battery life. So you guys might make it to the Pisgah Inn with me. Got us a Kia from Alabama. I'm surprised they're not moving over into the left lane and waving us by. being from Alabama, I'm surprised they're not just stuck over there in the left lane. Look at this overlook. Wow, I might have to pull in there on the way back. That is a view. Frying Pan Tunnel. I sure hope the food is as good at the Pisgah Inn as I remember it, because I am quite hungry. And I hope they allow us in, because we did not get reservations. I just can't imagine they would be that busy on a Tuesday. In June. I don't know how the roof of my car got so dented in. Yeah, I don't know how the roof of my car is so dented. There it is. There's the Pisgah Inn right in front of us. Right over there. Right over there. That's kind of cool. You see the updraft. Those crows flew off the mountain and the updraft grabbed them and just sent them up into the sky. That's really cool. Alright, here it is. There's a fork, a knife, and a bed. That must be for us. Smoking prohibited. So don't come here and smoke up the place and leave your cigarette butts everywhere. It's just rude. I'm gonna park right here. I hope nobody steals my stuff. Boop. Pistachio. Alright. Let me get off this bike. That is what the Pisgah Inn looks like from this side. It's pretty cool. Alright, please hit that thumbs up button. I need that 0.00000 cent that YouTube's going to give me for you watching this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.